See, what is negative and positive should be left to the assessor. We are not looking for perfect individuals. Every individual will have his pluses and minuses. So they should, if they come out with their natural responses, we will be able to know what are their strengths and weaknesses. There is nothing called positive and there is nothing called negative. For example, if somebody wants to become a scientist, he need not have to interact with many people to become a good scientist. He can sit in a room and work and become a good scientist, but that is not what is required of an army officer or a services officer. He has to move around with people, he has to lead people. So the QRs are different for each job. So what is positive for one job may not be positive for another job, or what is negative for one job may not be negative for another job. So the candidate should not think about the positives and negatives. He should just give his original responses and leave the rest to the assessor. The moment he tries to become an assessor, the chances are that he will not make it, because he will come out with socially acceptable answers, which is not what we are looking at. We are looking at his original personality, which will have flaws. There's nobody who is perfect. We accept the flaws with all his positives and negatives. What we are seeing is whether he will fit into our scheme of things, and whether some of the qualities which he is lacking can be rectified in the academy over a period of time, and he can be made into an average officer.